Hey y'all, it's your girl Lolo. Today I just wanted to give you a review of the new drill that I got from Subay. I'll just go over some of the things that it does and comes with, and then I'm going to remove this gel polish and I will let y'all know exactly how I like it. So stay tuned to see the rest. Okay, this is a Subay nail drill set. It is 30,000 RPM, 332-bit, standard efile specs. It is rechargeable, so you can actually work with it without it being plugged in. And when I do my nails, I am going to unplug it to see if it will last for the duration. That I'll have to let you know at the end, because I'm just going to file on camera, just one hand taking off the polish, just so that we can see exactly how powerful it is on camera. It has the power switch, which will actually turn on, as you see, when you turn the dial. This is what you plug the handpiece in. And I don't know if you could hear it, but it's very quiet. Reverse and forward switch. Make sure you do that when it's off, because I did mess one up switching it back and forth. But anyway, this is the handpiece. It does lock and unlock to release the drill bits. Very nice. It's a nice sturdy handpiece. So let's go ahead and get started removing this gel polish. Okay, and I have my ceramic coarse drill bit that I'm going to be using. So you see, when I turn it on, I'm going to start out very slow because I'm not sure, how powerful it is, but it's very quiet, which is nice. It doesn't jiggle when you move it, which that's what the other one did. It's very jiggly. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up just so that we can see fast smash motions, because watching it at this rate has got to be boring. Alright y'all, I did that hand in 6 minutes. long at all. It's very quiet. I really and truly do like this drill. It's very quiet. It works well. It's really cute. It has a little thing that you can put the handpiece in. It doesn't really stay too well in there, if you can see that, but if you have it on your belt, because like it has a belt clip so that you can use it a little bit more freely, you know, it's just hooked on your belt, so it does hang upside down. It works well like that, but if you try to lay it sideways, from one thing weighs it down and the other thing it just kind of falls out. So, but it does also come with this, which is a stand to set it in on a desktop. And then it comes with some drill bits. Like I said, these are all mine, so those I already had. It comes with this, and then it also has a little callus buffer in it as well. But it doesn't really fit well in there with all of my other regularly used bits, so I'm actually probably going to take one of these out and this one and put that in there. Even though I won't really use this one either, but looks cool in there. No, that's not going to work. Okay, so anyways. Yeah, so I have to say that I really do like it. The price was $38 and some change, like $39. So for less than $40, I'm definitely loving this. It is a lot lighter. The other one that I had, as you remember, is big and bulky. It was very loud, and the handpiece, even though it wasn't the original one, but all of them did that. They didn't lock, and they were very wobbly, so they didn't want to fit. Some of my drill bits, like I would put the drill bit in and it would stop rotating when it touched anything because it wasn't a tight grip like it is with the lock-in one. So I'm going to say that I definitely do like this. I'm surely going to recommend it. I will leave a link in the description, and if you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a great week.